It was done before that. And there's no way a witch would come. But I did know. But my friends were pushing me away from me. Their side was like gleaming from me. Listen to the footsteps come closer. A witch will appear in our midst. A witch, you have come to me. There's nothing else in the witch who has magical powers. Tell me, what powers have you been? I break all my powers in this ring. So you find me your house and my powers. Why? Now, are you ever aware of Yes. I say take off that witch hat and take off the now for me. Those powers are not useful. Because you're in New York and there's nothing better. There's no more ring. You can't have six. And if you wanted my wedding ring, you have to go with me. Witch.
The chick fight is on.
Yeah, you can use max powers, but I'll use my toughness. No, I will not fight.
I said the chick fight is on. I said
No.
beat each other up. If they want to beat each other up, I'll beat both of them up.
Okay.
Now, people, you do not want to see this.
I almost had a black eye.